Hi guys, welcome to Code Macha. So in this video, we are going to see complete uninstallation of VS Code on macOS using terminal. And guys, just to be chill, I am gonna give all these comments in the description so you can copy paste them in your terminal without any burden. Now let's dive into our video. So guys, if your VS Code is open, then quit it right now. Now open your terminal. Now copy this command and paste it into the terminal. Now copy this second command and paste it into the terminal. Now copy this third command and paste it in the terminal. Now copy this fourth command and paste it in the terminal. Again copy this fifth command and paste it in the terminal. Now again copy this sixth command and paste it in the terminal. Only copy paste. Now again copy this seventh command and paste it in the terminal. Now again copy this final eighth command and paste it in the terminal. Now enter your password. Now finally, VS Code has been completely deleted from your macOS. Be happy!